my personal journey to resolve the Instagram connection problem with Facebook pages after ad restrictions led me here. After extensive troubleshooting and discovering what truly works, I'm now sharing these crucial steps to get you back on track. First, we tackle the core of the issue by checking your Facebook ad account status and initiating any necessary appeals. Ad restrictions frequently disable page connections as a security measure, so verifying the restriction details and submitting a formal appeal directly addresses the underlying block. This process allows Facebook's review team to re-evaluate your account, potentially lifting the restriction and restoring your ability to link platforms. Next, we focus on re-establishing page roles and permissions. Corrupted or misconfigured access rights are a common culprit for connection failures. By carefully reviewing and, if necessary, removing and then re-adding your administrative access to the Facebook page, you effectively reset the permission hierarchy. This ensures Instagram possesses the precise authorization required to seamlessly integrate, resolving any hidden permission conflicts that might be preventing the connection. Our third method involves a clean slate disconnecting and then carefully reconnecting your accounts. Often, a stale or corrupted authentication token can be the silent barrier. Disconnecting your Facebook account from Instagram, clearing the app's cache, and then meticulously re-establishing the link forces the generation of a fresh, valid token. This simple yet powerful action resolves those persistent software glitches or outdated credential issues that prevent a smooth connection. Finally, we ensure everything is up to date by updating your apps and browser. Outdated Instagram or Facebook applications, along with accumulated browser cache data, can introduce critical compatibility issues and bugs. Updating both apps and clearing your browser's cache eliminates known software defects and ensures you're operating on the most stable and patched versions available, which often contain fixes for connections stability. Utilizing a desktop interface or a different browser can also effectively circumvent any mobile app-specific glitches, offering an alternative, more reliable connection pathway. These combined strategies provide a comprehensive approach to overcoming your connection challenges.